Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money at ages 18 to 22 years old with no money to start or a little money to start as well, about around $500, about $500, 18 to 22 years old. I'm once again at the university, and yes, I want to help college kids, high school kids to make money online today. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. It's a red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's that time. Let's talk about it. How to make money at ages 18 to 22 with no money to start or little money to begin. Now, I've talked to a few 18-year-old, 19-year-old students that basically want to make money. So I made videos like this in the past, and it's usually for like high school, college students, people who just want to make money online but don't have any resources, don't know where to start. They watch a lot of YouTube videos and they're like, you know what? Give me some information on where I can start. Well, I spoke to like one or two college students just earlier today, and we were talking about making money online. Now, I asked him to watch a previous video of me on my YouTube channel. He watched it, but then he was like, well, where do I start? Can you be more specific? Can you give me more details? Well, I asked him this. I said, what are you interested in doing? What do you have that you think people would want? What type of skill levels do you have that you can teach other people, or you can sign up on a program that can teach you more skill sets? So the first thing I told him to do, I asked him, does he have a budget? He said he has about $550. I said, well, you could take a program and a teacher program that basically can teach you how to make money online. So right below this video, I do have a link for you as well, that if you want to learn how to make money from home, while traveling, while you're in the classroom, while you going to the store, we will teach you the skill sets of how to make money online, and you'll be just fine. So click on the link below to get started. So first, I told them to invest to making money online on somebody who can actually teach you step by step. I said it's a low cost. It gets started with like $27 to start out. It's a low rate. You got $550 to use. Why not use that? The second thing I said, well, if you didn't want to go that route, well, I highly recommend him going that route, because he needs to learn how to sell, market, and go ahead and do videos just like this. We will teach you how to craft your offer. Now, the thing about it is that he said he was interested in Amazon, eBay. I think he had said, what else did he say? He said Etsy. He said he want to sell products online. So I said, well, I've done videos about that, where you can go to Amazon Associates for free. You can sign up for free. He's 18 years or older, so he'll be fine. I believe he was 19. Sign up on a free account on Amazon Associates. Then you can actually go through Amazon, pick some products that's available to sell, and you can go ahead and market those products. You can do a blog, you can do a website blog and write about it, and basically have the affiliate link inside the blog when people go ahead and click on it. Or you can do videos like this about the product. You can actually use the product. It'd be really good if you're actually using the product or showing people how to use the product or something like that. And you can use that, and you can go ahead and start selling and marketing that product. I do know a college student that actually in his dorm room, he sells video games right from his dorm room, and he posts them on a YouTube channel. He actually plays the video games, and then he sells the video game, and he uses Amazon, and I want to say Best Buy in terms of the affiliate link. The affiliate link is the link where you'll go to purchase the product. So he has the affiliate link in his YouTube channel. He actually plays the game live, shows you how to play it, and then he posts the link underneath the description box right below the video, and then customers go in there and buy it. He said he does pretty well with that. So he found something that he loves to do, which is video games, made a YouTube channel, and he sells products through Amazon, and I believe Best Buy and a few other places as well. So I recommend that to him as well. If you like video games, or if you like some type of things, people want to see what you're doing and then have a call to action, which basically means where to buy the product, and then you'll be good to go. So I gave him a couple recommendations with that. I said, first, click on the link below. The link here will teach you how to sell, market, and your product, and you can make money online that way. And there's other routes you can do. You can sell products. You can do other things in terms of making money online. I say, why not pay the price, learn the skill set, and then you can take that skill set and you can market and sell any product as your choice. So that's all I got for you. 18 to 22-year-old kids, yes, make money online in 2020. Don't forget, click on the link below to go ahead and get started with the training at affordable rates with little money. If you have no money, you can use the Amazon Associate way. Sign up a free account, look at some products, start selling, start marketing some stuff. Or if you have a little money, click on the link below. We'll go ahead and get you started today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.